Hello and welcome to this B1 iPayment What's New session. Today I'll be discussing the February release, which is version 2017.010. This release has lots of new exciting features as well as some major changes to existing ones. So let's jump right in. First up, we have the Convert One-Time Credit Cards feature. This is a new feature that allows you to convert one-time credit cards tied only to a single document into a regular business partner credit card, which can be used for all documents tied to that business partner. You'll find this feature on the Business Partner Credit Cards window. Here you'll find a button which opens a list of current one-time credit cards for the business partner. In this list, you can select one of the credit cards and choose to convert it. After the conversion is successful, you'll see that another business partner card has popped up into the Business Partner Credit Cards window. Then you can use it just like you would any other credit card. One important thing to note about this feature is the fact that it's not available for Authorized.net. Due to limitations in their API, we cannot support it on Authorized.net, but all our other providers currently do support it. Next up, we have a new feature which allows you to automatically try to reauthorize any expired authorizations. This feature is configured in the configuration window, and once it's enabled, the server component will try to reauthorize any expired authorizations which you might have in your system. This is done by the server component trying to create a new authorization at the gateway. In this new version of iPayment, we've also added support for credit card in a few new places. The first and biggest one of those is sales order deposits. You can access this feature by going to sales order, right-clicking and selecting payment means. This will open the deposit on order screen where you can select either an existing business partner card or add a new one-time credit card to your sales order. Once you've done this, you can fill out the sales order as you normally would. After you add the sales order, we create a down payment invoice and an incoming payment and settle these. Afterwards, the deposit is settled and you can process the sales order as you normally would. The other place where we now support one-time credit cards is the Outgoing Payments screen. The Outgoing Payments screen already had support for business partner cards, now it supports one-time credit cards as well. You can use this feature by going to the Outgoing Payments screen, selecting one or more outgoing payments, then right-clicking and going to Payments Means. After you go to Payment Means, you can add a one-time credit card and continue processing the outgoing payments as you normally would. We've also made some major changes to the batch processing windows in this release. This goes for batch authorization, batch settlement and batch refund. All of these three now share a common wizard-style interface. When you open one of these, you're presented with a wizard that allows you to filter on various parameters. It allows you to insert your own SQL statements. It allows you to define an alias new columns that you'd like selected. After you've done all this, set up the filters as you'd like them, you can save the template and use it as a default. You have the option of saving multiple templates. You also have the option of removing them. Templates are saved on a per form basis, so you can have various templates for authorization and different templates for settlements. Once you've done your filtering, you can click Next and you're presented with the window as it used to be. Here you can see a list of all the documents that match your criteria, and you can select them and authorize, settle or refund depending on your choice. That concludes our short What's New session for iPayment. The new version will be finally released on the 8th of February. And please remember, since this is the first version of 2017, that you'll need to have paid the 2017 maintenance to run this version. Please check that you've paid the maintenance before you download and install this version, as it will not work otherwise. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed the video.